herbicide or pesticide.
Right.
And then you try it. So right now we're at field work, and what we're doing is installing a gray water system. The way that the system works is it takes water from the bathroom sink, which is in the far room with the pink wall, and then it goes through the wall into a series of pipes where there's first going to be a mushroom container that's going to clean the water, and then it's going to go into these two planter boxes filled with soil right here that will have plants in it, and the plants will soak up the water and then just transpire it into the air, so there's no effluent to deal with. To give it an analogy, if you think about a tree, an apple tree, right? The mycelium is like the tree, and the mushrooms are like the apples. That's how I think about it. And this stuff, in particular, it's just more like seeds that have just germinated. Like, think of this like sprouts that you get at the store that will eventually turn into the whole plant. So this is just like sprouted seeds. And you can see that it was grown on little bits of, I think it's like little bits of rye or wheat. And then you can just break it up. Yeah? What is that? Yeah. People are going to have a field day with that pipe. So it's like in the projector.
The more I knew about.
One time I bought one right here. That was some of these like this was.